Ever wondered what would happen if you woke up as a fly? Not rich, not famous, not even slightly respected. Just a tiny, buzzing inconvenience that humans try to delete from existence. Your alarm clock is no longer your phone, but the sweet aroma of trash fermenting under the sun, and somehow your brain says, yeah, that smells like breakfast. Welcome to your downgrade from apex consumer to airborne garbage inspector. You open your compound eyes, not two, but thousands, each one capturing fragmented reality like a broken surveillance system. Scientifically speaking, flies have compound eyes made of ommatidia, allowing a nearly 360-degree field of view, which sounds cool until you realize everything looks like low-resolution chaos. Imagine watching life in permanent lag while still being expected to survive. First instinct, food, always food, but not the kind humans post on Instagram. You land on leftover pizza, then immediately on something questionable that was definitely not pizza. 5 seconds ago, flies rely on chemoreceptors in their feet, meaning you literally taste with your legs. So yes, congratulations, you just sampled the world's worst buffet without even trying. And here is the fun part. You do not chew, you dissolve. Flies regurgitate digestive enzymes onto food to liquefy it before slurping it back up. So while humans argue about fine dining and Michelin stars, you are out here vomiting on your meal as part of the process. Suddenly that expensive steak does not look so sophisticated anymore. You start flying around your wings, beating around 200 times per second. Efficient but exhausting. And yet your entire purpose is basically dodging humans who suddenly become boss-level enemies. Ironic, because humans spend hours being lazy, scrolling endlessly. But the moment they see you, they unlock Olympic-level reflexes just to end your existence. Let's talk about hygiene, or the complete lack of it. Flies are known vectors for pathogens carrying bacteria like tiny flying delivery services, and humans act disgusted by you, yet they leave food, uncovered trash, overflowing, and then blame you for showing up. It is like hosting a party and getting mad when guests arrive. Your lifespan around 15 to 30 days, statistically insignificant. While humans waste years procrastinating, complaining, and overthinking simple things, you do not have time for existential crises. Your entire life is basically eat, escape, reproduce, repeat speed-running existence with zero pause button. And reproduction. Let's not romanticize it. Flies lay eggs in decaying matter because that is where larvae thrive. Scientifically efficient, but aesthetically horrifying. Meanwhile, humans complain about minor inconveniences like slow internet while ignoring the chaos they create in their own environment. At some point, you land on a human just observing. This giant creature with advanced intelligence yet questionable habits, overeating, wasting food, avoiding responsibilities, and still believing they are the superior species. From your perspective, they are just bigger flies with better branding. And then it hits you. Maybe being a fly is not the downgrade. Maybe it is a mirror, a brutally honest reflection of human behavior. So here is the lesson. Clean your environment. Respect what you consume. Stop wasting time on meaningless habits and actually act like the intelligent species you claim to be, because from a fly's perspective, you are not that impressive.